Hi, my name is Annie Semmelroth with Stone Adventures. I'm co-owner and rock climbing guide for Stone Adventures Rock Climbing Guide Service in Joshua Tree National Park. And this is a course on knots. I'm starting with the most familiar knot, the figure 8, because I'm hoping everyone has already tied it before, are familiar with it at some level. I'd like to say that for all of these videos, I hope that you have your own rope with you and you do your own hands-on practice, not just once, even if you nail it the first time, but again and again, so it feels like muscle memory. It takes 17 exposures to make a new memory. So if you don't get the knot the first couple times, or if you get it the first time, but not the third or fourth time, don't be surprised. Just keep working with it as we go through all of these knots throughout the course. So the first one is the figure 8 knot. This is the knot most commonly used by climbers to tie in before they climb. As you can see, it looks like an 8 when it's tied, and we'll go over how to do that. This is good practice for following along here. So we're going to take a bight of rope. So a bight of rope is when we bend the rope. This is the bight. Or in this case, we can call it an alien head. Notice I have the tail of this rope, and the strand of the tail comes down from my thumb, and the other side down from my pinky. I'm going to take this tail and wrap it all the way around this way, and then back to the front, and then stab the alien in the face, like so. And with that, I get a figure 8 knot. So there's a few different methods to do this. Some people do the double twist and then lace it through. If you do it this way, keep in mind that the tail should be on the same side every time you do it. If I were to go through those same motions but start it with the tail on this side, I'll see that I'll wind up with an overhand knot instead, which is not what we want in this case. We get the little added loop that creates the bottom of the 8 by starting on this side and coming all the way back around to this side and in front. Lace it through. Ta-da! 8 knot.